Welcome friends. This video is on Post Office Guide Part 1 and it is Series 2. Already we have done one more video on this. It is from study room and mainly for the aspirants of various competitive exams conducted by Department of Post. Let us go to the slides. In this video you have 20 questions. Each question will carry 20 seconds to answer. If you are not answering within 20 seconds, answer will automatically displayed on the screen. I hope you have already prepared and attending this quiz. Best of luck. Question number 1. These kind of articles can be posted in the letterbox. Options A. Packets. Option B. Parcels. Option C. Registered newspapers. Option D. Franked articles. Number 2. Articles requires special treatment as per the clause 21 of Post Office Guide Part 1. Option A. Director letter. Option B. Prime Minister Office letters. Option C. Value payable. Option D. Members of Parliament letters. Option number 3. Must be completely adherent to the article itself and not to any part of its content or any separate label or other device tied or attached to the article. It should be affixed to the right hand top corner of the address side. Options: address label, postage stamp, MPCM receipt, acknowledgement card. Question number 4. The addressee of an article is not bound to pay the amount due on its to the post office if he does not want to take delivery of it. In this case, the word dash will be written by the postman across the cover. Option refused, unpaid, RTS, insufficiently paid. 5. Where any postal article addressed to the post box number cannot be placed therein due to its size or for want of space in the box. Option A should be delivered through postman. Option B should be kept in post box. Option C delivered through peon in charge of post box. Option D intimation slip should be kept in the post box. Question number 6. If the renter of the post box does not clear it for a week. Options A should be delivered through postman. B should be kept in deposit. C. Notice will be sent through postman. D. Notice will be sent through registered post. Question number 7. Fee for business reply card if applied on 1st July. Option A rupees 75. Option B rupees 750. Option C rupees 100. Option D rupees 25. Question number 8. In case of any breach of condition in business reply card, it is considered as options A refused, option B returned to sender, option C unpaid, option D insufficiently paid. Question number 9. Complaints relating to loss or damage to a registered or insured article where a claim for compensation is made. Options A 12 months from date of postings, option B 9 months from date of posting, option C 6 months from date of postings, option D 3 months from date of posting. Question number 10. May contain bona fide trade patterns or samples or merchandise not having any saleable value together with or without any matter refers to which class of article. Option A, patents and sample packets. Option B, parcel. Option C, value payable parcel. Option D, registered parcel. Question number 11. Registered articles addressed to students and inmates of educational institutes can be delivered to options: students only. Option B, any staff of educational institutes. Option C, head of the institute or person duly authorized by him. Option D, intimation to be served to institute for window delivery. Question number 12. India Post approved the following remotely managed franking systems. The OEMs are options A, NPR, that is Neopost, Pitney Bowes, Ricoh. Option B, NPF, that is Neopost, Pitney Bowes, Francotip, Postalia. Option C, PRF, that is Pitney Bowes, Ricoh, Francotip, Postalia. Option D, RFN, Ricoh, Francotips, Postalia and Neopost. Question number 13. Franking will be allowed up to dash amount. Option A, maximum of double the postage. Option B, maximum 3 digit, that is up to rupees 999. Option C, any value. Option D, actual value of the letter. Question number 14. Facility of certificate of posting discontinued by Indian Post Office Third Amendment rule of dash year. Option A 2011, Option B 2010, Option C 2012, Option D 2015. Number 15. Subject to provision of the clause, the sender of the postal article posted in India may have it withdrawn from the post or have its address altered, so long as the article. Please find odd one out. Option A has not been delivered to the addressee. Option B has not been confiscated or destroyed by the competent authorities of the country in which the article may be or time being. Option C has not been seized by virtue of any law of the country of destination. Option D has not been issued to postman for delivery. Question number 16. These kinds of article will not be delivered to the addressee unless and until he or his agent authorized in writing has signed a receipt for it. Option A, blind literature. Option B, speed post. Option C, registered letters. Option D, parcels. Question number 17. Postage due on inland letters cards called Forces letter and green envelopes is prepared under special arrangements. No recovery will be made at the time of delivery from the addressee of Forces letters and green envelopes. This facility is exclusively for Option A, President of India. Option B, letters from Prime Minister office. Option C, letters of members of public, that is MP and MLA. Option D, defense personnels. Question number 18. Analyze these statements. A. Customers cannot refuse to take article for delivery when presented by postman. B. The renter will not have any right to get delivery through the postbox of any article addressed to him without the postbox number. Options: A is correct and B is wrong. Option B, A is wrong and B is correct. Option C, both A and B are correct. Option D, both A and B are wrong. Question number 19. The postbox holders who receives a large quantity of mails which cannot be conveniently put into the postbox may rent an additional postbox on the same terms and condition, but with the Option same post box number. Option B with a new post box number. Option C with sub number in alphabet. Option D post bag. Question number 20. Instructions received from addressee authorizing the post office to deliver articles or pay money orders to persons other than themselves should be treated as lapsed after a time limit of dash years unless renewed within that time. Option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option 3 3 years, option D half year, that is 6 months. Thank you friends for watching this. I think you have enjoyed and learned a lot. So our next video will be on PO Guide Part 2 on general knowledge. This is from Study Room. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed in YouTube. It is free. You can subscribe. Thank you friends.